Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video we are talking about virus, their characteristics and their structures. Next is virus is a submicroscopic infectious agent that replicates only inside the living cells of an organism. Virus infects all life forms from animals and plants to microorganisms including bacteria and archaea. It is an infective agent that typically consists of a nucleic acid molecule in a protein coat. It is too small to be seen by light microscopy and is able to multiply only within the living cells of a host. A virus consists of 2 or 3 parts, genes made up of either DNA or RNA, long molecule that carry genetic information, protein coat that protects the genes, and in some viruses an envelope of fat are present. Viruses vary in shape from the simple helical or icosahedral to more complex structures. Viruses range in size from 20 to 300 nanometer. It would take 30,000 to 75,000 of them to stretch to 1 centimeter. They are inactive macromolecules outside the host cells and active only inside the host cells, multiplying by taking control of host cells' genetic material and regulating the synthesis or assembly of new viruses. Viruses lack cellular organelles like mitochondria and ribosomes. Viruses are obligate cellular parasites. Viruses replicate through replication of their nucleic acid and the synthesis of viral protein. This is the structure of viruses. The innermost part is the genome, which carries DNA or RNA, and that surrounds by the capsid. The whole structure is surrounded by coat, which consists of glycoprotein molecules. The capsid is composed of small structural units called capsomeres. It is made up of protein molecules. The capsid protects nucleic acid from inactivation by the outer physical conditions. The capsid and the nucleic acid together are called nucleocapsid. This is the structure of capsid, which is made up of several capsomeres, and it coats the nucleic acid for the protection. Function of viral capsid includes capsid helps introduce the viral DNA or RNA into suitable host. It stimulates the immune system to produce antibodies that can protect the host cells against future infections. DNA viruses may be single-stranded DNA or double-stranded DNA viruses. This picture shows the type of DNA viruses that are maybe enveloped or non-enveloped, and single-stranded or double-stranded viruses. Enveloped double-stranded includes pox virus and herpes virus, while single-stranded non-enveloped genome includes parvovirus, and double-stranded non-enveloped genome includes adenovirus, which consists of a linear DNA, or papovirus, which consists of cellular DNA. As you can see here in the picture, the viruses are linear or circular. RNA viruses mostly include single-stranded viruses. Positive sense RNA genome that are ready for immediate translation into proteins, while negative sense RNA genomes have to first convert it into proper form, then they have to convert it into proteins. Here's the hierarchy of RNA viruses. As you can see in the image, the most of the viruses are single-stranded. Only few are double-stranded viruses. This diagram includes the difference between enveloped or non-enveloped viruses. The enveloped is composed of virally coded proteins and host lipids. The viral envelope is covered with glycoprotein spikes, and capsid is composed of capsomeres. As you can see, the spikes, which are made up of glycoproteins, and capsid is composed of capsomeres. Viruses are divided into three groups based on the morphology of nucleocapsid and the arrangement of capsomeres. Number one is cubic symmetry. The virus particle is icosahedral in shape, or nucleic acid contained inside the capsid. The icosahedrons is composed of 20 equilateral triangles, 12 vertices, and has 2, 3, 5 rotational symmetry. Next one is helical symmetry. The virus particle is elongated or pleomorphic in shape, and their nucleic acid is spiral, while capsomeres are arranged around the nucleic acid. Third one is complex. The virus does not conform either cubic or helical symmetry. Thank you. The further classification and reproduction will be discussed in another video. Please like, share, and subscribe.